Kia Stinger 2018, price tag way too much. I haven't made a video on this car. I haven't really talked about this car because I really wanted to see it in person. I wanted to feel out the vibe of it, and it's just such a poser's car. That's how it really makes me feel. It's like, it's not a BMW, but it wishes it was. It's not a Audi, but it wishes it was. And I know the designers are from all of these brands, but they're creating cars that are just, they're just missing the mark. I don't understand it. Again, rather than come up with something truly unique and come up with a whole new concept and come up with something that would set them apart, they just come up with like a cheap knockoff. It confuses the hell out of me, I guess. And it probably drives okay, and it's probably decently reliable. It just, I don't know. I guess if you want to impose that you have money, but you don't, and you can't drive a Chevy because you won't, there's this. And I guess that's a market too.